Number 15, radiation. Thermal radiation are electromagnetic radiation belonging to which spectrum? This I gave you in the property of, pardon?
Infrared beam.
Infrared region, correct. So this is in infrared region. That is option C. On which of the following factor does the intensity of radiation from body depends? Intensity of radiation depends upon, E means intensity of radiation, which is Q upon AT, directly proportional to fourth power of absolute temperature. Correct? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So it depends upon temperature of the body only. That is option. It directly depends upon fourth power of the temperature of the body. 60. Which of the following will radiate heat to large extent? Who will radiate heat to the large extent? One which has absorbed maximum will radiate maximum. So can I say black rough surface? Hello? See, heat radiation formula is what? A E sigma T raised to 4 minus T0 raised to 4. What is E of black body? 1, na? Hello?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
And बाकी सब बॉडी के लिए इससे कम होता है. Therefore, it will be option A, rough and black. 62. The fastest mode of transfer of heat is radiation. If an earth-harmonious body absorbs 20% of the incident radiation, absorbs 20% means 0.2 is coefficient of absorption, then reflection will be how much? Reflection will be how much? A plus R plus T is 0. So 0.2 plus R, a therminous body does not transmit radiation through it. So therefore R will be 0.8. R 0.8 in option C. Complete in this. Can I clear this now?
Yes.
64. The emissive power of perfectly black body is, emissive power of perfectly black body is dq by dt A, which is proportional to fourth power of absolute temperature. So it's independent of temperature mode. Proportional to fourth power of temperature. Actually fourth power of absolute होना चाहिए था. Decreases with increasing temperature, depends upon wavelength of radiation. See, depends upon temperature, and temperature depends upon wavelength. So can I say D? Hello?
Yes, sir.
I didn't prefer fourth power of temperature because absolute नहीं दिया. But lambda and temperature are related. So that black body spectrum we know. It depends upon wavelength at constant temperature, correct? Hello?
Yes, sir.
65. reflectance means R, emittance means E, of perfectly black body is E is 1 because A is 1 for black body. R 0, E 1, option A. 66. Good absorber of heat are one who is absorbing will be good emitter. So C. Good absorber is good emitter. That is C. 67. A piece of blue glass heated to high temperature and piece of red glass, blue glass heated to high temperature and piece of red glass at room temperature, taken in the dimly light room. This is heated more. The Q of red is more than Q of blue is more than that of red. So it will emit more light when it is kept in dim room. That means blue piece will look brighter because it will emit more heat as compared to that of red. So option C. 68. The conical projection in front of hole in Ferris black body is to avoid return by reflection. That is B. The absorption coefficient of thermal radiation for perfectly black body. Absorption coefficient for perfectly black body is 1. So C. How is emissive power of body E related to absolute temperature? Independent no, square no. So it is 4. Depends upon temperature but not as mentioned above. The maximum energy emitted by body for particular wavelength, maximum energy for particular wavelength is inversely proportional to the temperature. That means now after basic definitions theory, it is all problems based on Wein's displacement law. Sakshi, what is Wein's displacement law? Yeah, sir. Wein's displacement law.
I'm not sure, sir.
Study and come. Na? Why don't you study? Wavelength corresponding to maximum energy is inversely proportional to absolute temperature. Therefore, lambda maximum is B upon T, where B is constant, called as Wein's displacement constant. Its value is 2.898 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter Kelvin. Now you can recollect, all of you can recollect this. Yes, everybody has recollected this one.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Based on this, we are solving the numerical 70. The wavelength of maximum intensity of radiation by sun and moon are 0.5 into 10 raised to minus 6 meter and 10 raised to minus 4 meter respectively. The ratio of their temperature will be how much? Ratio of temperature will be how much? Wavelength for maximum energy emitted is proportional to 1 by T. So lambda 1 upon lambda 2 will be T2 by T1, correct? Therefore 0.5 into 10 raised to minus 6 upon 10 raised to minus 4 is T2 by T1. Any doubt in this?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
So T1 upon T2 will be 10 raised to minus 4 upon 0.5 into 10 raised to minus 6. So 10 raised to minus 6 goes up plus 6. That means it will become 1000 upon 0.5. I am writing half. So it will be no 100 upon half. So it will become 200 upon 1. 200 upon 1 is option D.
Done, sir.
The wavelength of radiation emitted by body depends upon. Wavelength of radiation depends upon what? Wavelength emitted depends upon what? Area of the surface depends upon what? Temperature. No? Therefore, options. Wavelength emitted depends upon temperature, that is inversely proportional to temperature. 74 is the example. Distribution of heat energy graph is as shown. The distribution of heat energy radiated by human body. What is temperature of human body?
37.
37 degrees Celsius. So this is black body spectrum at 37, that means human body temperature. How many Kelvin that means?
310.
310 Kelvin. Which one of the following is most likely value of X? X means wavelength. So this wavelength is corresponding to maximum energy emitted. So I should find lambda maximum. We know it is V upon T. V is 2.898 into 10 raised to minus 3, and this is 310 Kelvin. So this equals to 2.898. This I can write 3.10 into 10 raised to plus 2. So 3 into approximately a 0.9. So you will get 9 into 10 raised to minus 6 meter. That can be written as, answer is in nano. 9 into 10 raised to minus 6, 10 raised to plus 9 nanometer. So this is 9,000 nano. That is options. 9,000 nano. Important was knowing the temperature of human body.
Done, sir.
Wavelength of maximum emitted energy of light of the body at temperature of 700 Kelvin is 4.08 micrometer. If the temperature is raised to 1400 Kelvin, then wavelength of maximum energy emitted, lambda is P upon T for maximum energy. So lambda 1 upon lambda 2 is T2 by T1. 4.08 upon lambda 2 is T2. 1400 upon 700. Therefore, it is 700 into 2. So lambda 2 is 4.08 upon 2. Lambda 2 is 2.04 microjoule. See, I could have done directly also. Temperature 700 becomes 1400. That means double. So temperature double, wavelength half, because they are inversely proportional.
Done, sir.
Wayne's constant, that means P, is 2892 into 10 raised to minus 6 SI, and lambda M for moon is 14.46 micron 10 raised to minus 6 meter. What is surface temperature? Lambda is P upon T. So P is P upon lambda M. B is 2892 into 10 raised to minus 6. This will be 14.46 into 10 raised to minus 6. That is 2892, 1446 into 10 raised to minus 2. 1446 का double will become 2892. So this is 200 Kelvin. Option 200 Kelvin.
Done, sir.
A black body is at temperature of 2880 Kelvin. The energy of radiation emitted by this object with wavelength of 499 to 500 nanometer is 1, and between 999 and 1000 is 2, and between 1499 and 1500 is 3. If Wayne's displacement is 2.88 into 10 raised to 6 nanometer Kelvin, then what is relation? So we have to check whether U1 0 or U3 0, or relation between U1 U2 greater or smaller. See that telling? The energy radiation of the black body is at temperature this. So if this is energy radiation at temperature 2880, so can I find which wavelength out of this corresponds to maximum? If that will be maximum, that means suppose I get at 500, we get this T. So U1 maximum होएगा. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Relation क्या है? Lambda corresponding to maximum energy emitted is B upon T. So I know B, I know T. So if I calculate lambda maximum, ये तीनों में से कोई तो एक आ गया, तो जो भी आया वो maximum होएगा ना. With that, I can predict relation. That means if you plot the graph at this temperature, this lambda maximum will come for some energy. बाकी energy उससे कम ही रहने वाला है ना. So that we have to check now. P is 2.88. I can take 898 rounded off as 88 so that we can do cancellation into 10 raised to minus 3. This is 2880. So 2.88 into 10 raised to minus 3, 2.88 into 10 raised to plus 3. 1, 2, 3, 10 raised to plus 3. So this will get cancelled. That means we get 10 raised to minus 6 meter, which is 1000 nanometer, correct? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Can I say U2 is maximum? That means U2 is greater than U1. This is the condition. Anybody who has not followed this? Yes, Lakshman? Rahul?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Ankita? Hello, Ankita, you have got good marks.
Yes, sir.
How many sums you are practicing daily?
Sir, 35.
Stretch it up to 50.
Yes, sir.
Whenever it starts going beyond 50, your mark will start increasing. Less than that, mark will struggle between 100 and 120 or 140.
Yes, sir.
Do.
Done, sir.
यश देखो आपको भी अच्छा मार्क मिला.
ओके सर.
पेपर मिला आपको? भेजा मैंने. मिला?
नहीं सर, नहीं मिला.
अच्छा देखता हूँ शायद भेजा तो मुझे लगता है भेजा. A black wire of platinum is heated. If wire is heated, means what? Temperature is increased, na? Hello?
Yes.
Lambda and temperature are inversely proportional. So if temperature is increased, then wavelength will decrease. That means color will go on the right hand side of left hand side of VTR series. This part clear? Temperature is increased, so lambda will decrease. That means it will go on the left hand side.
Yes, sir.
So they are telling it is found that first it is red, फिर yellow, फिर धीरे धीरे white दिखने लगा. तो ये कौन सा लॉ से समझ में आता है? टेम्परेचर बढ़ता है तो वेवलेंथ कम होता है. Waves displacement law, correct? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So color from red going to the yellow, going to the left hand side indicates wavelength is decreasing. That indicates temperature is increasing by Waves displacement law. 79. Wavelength of maximum energy released during atomic explosion was 2.93 into 10 raised to minus 10 meter. And Waves displacement they are telling take as 2.93 into 10 raised to minus 3. The maximum temperature attained will be in which order? Okay. Lambda is V upon T. So T is V upon lambda. That is nothing but 2.93 10 raised to minus 7 upon 2.93 into 10 raised to minus 10. So it will be of the order 10 raised to 3. is -7 B upon T, and lambda is -10. Sorry, 3 I mean, this is 7. So order 7, 10 raised to 7 Kelvin. 10 raised to 7 Kelvin.
Done, sir.
The radiation energy density, is energy per unit time per unit area. Energy density per unit wavelength at temperature T has maximum wavelength lambda 0 at what temperature? At temperature T2 it will become how much? Maximum energy density is P upon. So lambda 1 upon lambda 2 will be P2 upon. Temperature T, then wavelength is lambda 0. Temperature to T, what will be wavelength? Temperature doubles, wavelength becomes half. Directly also you can learn. The temperature of sun is 5500 Kelvin and it emits maximum radiation into yellow region whose wavelength is 5.5 into 10 raised to -7 meter. The maximum radiation from the furnace occurs at wavelength of 11 into 10 raised to -7, and what was the temperature? So lambda is inversely proportional to T. Ratio of wavelength is reciprocal of temperature. So 5.5 into 10 raised to -7, 11 into 10 raised to -7 is T2 upon 5005. 5.5 double is 11. So therefore T2 is 5500 upon 2. That is 2 into 2, 4, 2 7 2750. That is option.
Done, sir.
The power radiated by black body is P. Power radiated by black bodies. And it radiates maximum energy around the wavelength of lambda. Now the temperature of black body is changed so that it can radiate maximum energy at lambda 0 by 2. Then power radiated by it will increase by what factor? See, power is nothing but rate of radiation. So dq by dt, which is A is sigma e raised to 4. Rate of radiation is also called power because heat is energy. Energy per unit time is called power. So I can say power is A is sigma e raised to 4. So ratio of power is T1 upon T2 raised to 4 for same body. Now temperature and wavelength are inversely proportional. So it is lambda 2 upon lambda 1 raised to 4. So P upon P2 is lambda 0 by 2 lambda 0. So P upon P2 will become 1 upon 16. Therefore, power is 16 times. So it is increasing by factor 16. So
Done, sir.
black body radiates power B and maximum energy is radiated at around wavelength of lambda. The temperature of body is now changed such that it radiates maximum energy at around 3 lambda 0 by 4. The power radiated will increase by become sound. Now, if you recollect, directly I am writing power was P raised to 4. That means ratio of power is T1 upon T2 raised to 4, which is lambda 2 upon lambda 1 raised to 4. So first power is P, second we want 3 lambda 0 by 4 upon lambda 0 raised to 4. So P2 is 4 raised to 4, 256 upon 81. Option.
Done, sir.
On investigation of light from 3 different stars A, B, C, it was found that in spectrum of A, intensity of red light is maximum, and in B, blue light was maximum, and in C, the yellow light was maximum. From this observation, it can be concluded about temperature they want. See, whenever color related comes, first I write Vibgyor. From this I come to know relation between wavelength. Which color is least? Blue. Lambda of blue is less than lambda of yellow, and yellow is less than red. From this we
Yes, sir.
so temperature of B will be greater than temperature of C, will be greater than that of A. Ulta. So B is maximum, A is minimum, and C is intermediate. Option C.
Done, sir.
Black body emits radiation of maximum intensity at 5000 angstrom. When the temperature of body was 1227 degrees Celsius. If the temperature of body is increased by 1000, so 1227 plus 1000, that becomes 2227 degrees Celsius. The maximum intensity of emitted radiation will be absorbed at what level? So lambda 1 upon lambda 2 is d2 upon d1. Lambda 1 5000, lambda 2 8. Don't know. d2 is 227 plus 273. That means 2500. And t1 is 1005. Correct? Something is correct? Correct? No? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Answer is 3000.
Done, sir.
If there are two bodies at different temperature, wavelength of radiation in which maximum radiation energy is distributed will be greater for body at higher temperature. See, if there are two bodies at different temperature, the wavelength of radiation, one is T2, T1 suppose, other is T2. The wavelength of radiation is in maximum radiation energy distribution will be greater for body at lower temperature because lambda is inversely proportional to T. So will be greater for body at lower temperature, that is. How's it? पेपर का हेलो हाँ हाँ अभी कभी लेक्चर खत्म हो दो हाँ लेक्चर खत्म हो दो 10-15 मिनट खाना लाए कि नहीं आप हेलो ठीक है
Yes, sir.
Select the wrong statement. Good absorber is good reflector. No. Good absorber is good emitter. So good absorber is good emitter. So first is wrong statement. First itself is wrong. This is the answer. A body has same temperature as that of surrounding. Ratio of radiation emitted and radiation received. T means body temperature is same as surrounding. That means rate of radiation will be same as rate of absorption. So this ratio will be how much? 1, na? Do you remember I gave you one law called as Prevost's theory of heat exchange? If body is of temperature T and surrounding is T0, both are equal, तो जितना देगा उतना लेगा बोला था मैंने, याद आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
So ratio will be found. Option. That means now onwards, Stephen's law wala concept will start. 88. से. Select wrong statement. A body which is at higher temperature than surrounding radiates heat to the surrounding. Barabar. Body at lower temperature will absorb the heat. Yes. Low temperature does not radiate heat to the body at higher temperature. That is wrong. No? Body at low temperature will also give and take. Only the thing, it will give less and take more. So C is the wrong statement. Rest all are correct. Two perfectly black bodies A and B of same surface area are having temperature as 527 degrees Celsius and 127 degrees Celsius. 527 convert into Kelvin. 527 convert into Kelvin, that is 800 Kelvin, and this will be 127 600 Kelvin. And surrounding is at 27 degrees Celsius, which is 300 Kelvin. 127 plus 273 will become 400 Kelvin. This is 300 Kelvin. The ratio of rate at which heat is lost from A to B. So rate of A to rate of B will be temperature of first one raised to 4 minus second one, T0 raised to 4. This is T2 raised to 4 minus T0 raised to 4. So 800 raised to 4 minus of 300 raised to 4. 400 raised to 4 minus 300 raised to 4. 8 raised to 4 minus 3 raised to 4. 4 raised to 4 minus 3 raised to 4. 8 raised to 4 is 4096. 3 raised to 4, 81. Then 4 raised to 4 is 256 minus 81. 6 minus 1, 5. 1, 4015. 6 minus 1, 5. 7, 175. So we can cancel it by 5. 5 3s are 15. Remainder 2. 5 5s are 25. 5 8s are 40. 0, 5 3s are 35 into 2 is 70, remember 10. 35 into 3 is 105. So it is close to 20. Option.
Done, sir.
The energy emitted is once in 1 second. So Q in 1 second. By black body having surface area 10 raised to minus 2 meters square, maintained at 127 degrees Celsius. If Stephen's constant is 5.7 into 10 raised to minus 8. So Q by T is A E sigma T raised to 4. So Q upon 1 second will be 10 raised to minus 2. This black body is 5.7 into 10 raised to minus 8. 127 plus 273 is 400 raised to 4. So 5.7 into 10 raised to minus 10, 4 raised to 4, 256 into 10 raised to 8. So it is 5.7 into 2.56 because this will then get cancelled. Now clearly 2 into 5, 10. So my answer should be in 2 digits. I am writing here. All are 146, 146, 146 in order. 5 into 2 is 10. So it has to be 2 digits. Therefore option B. Coming Monday, test will be on live.
Done, sir.
A sphere, a cube, and a disk. All are of same material and quality and volume. So same material, same quality, same volume. Same material means density is same. Now if density is same, volume is also same, then which of these will have lowest rate of cooling? So just remember, for same volume, surface area of sphere is least for same volume. Hence, who will radiate lowest? Hence, rate of cooling of sphere will be least. Therefore, option A. So you have to remember this. For same volume, surface area of sphere is least. Least surface area, least loss of heat. That means least rate of cooling. Then 93. A cube which may be regarded as perfectly black body radiates heat of 57 watt, means joules per second, when it is at temperature of 127 degrees Celsius, which is 400 Kelvin. The approximate volume of cube would be how much? If sigma is 5.7 into 10 raised to minus 8 and temperature of surrounding is 47 degrees Celsius. So Q by T is A E sigma T minus to 4 minus P 0. This is 57. Surface area of cube is 6 into side square into 1. Sigma 5.7 into 10 raised to minus 8. Temperature 400 raised to 4 minus 227 plus 273 is 300 raised to 4. So 57 is 6L square. 57 into 10 raised to minus 9. This is 10 raised to 2 raised to 4. 10 raised to 8. Inside 4 raised to 4 minus 3. So 1 equal to 6L square into 10 raised to minus 1 256 minus 81. So 1 equal to 6L square, 10 raised to minus 1 into 175. L square will be 1 upon 6 into 17.5. So L square equal to 1 upon 6 by the 30, 42 and 3, 45, 6 and 4, 10. So L square you can take approximately 1 upon 100. That means L is approximately 1 upon 10 liter. So volume of cube is L cube. That means 10 raised to minus 3 meter cube. Volume of cube 10 raised to minus 3 meter cube. Option C.
Done, sir.
Two more sums I am doing. 94. If the temperature of hot body is increased by 50%, original temperature plus 50% is increased by 50. That is nothing but 150 upon 100 of original. So this will become 50 into 3, 50 into 2, 3 by 2. Then amount of radiation emitted will increase by approximately what? Rate of radiation is temperature raised to 4. So R1 upon R2 is T1 upon T2 raised to 4. That is R1 upon R2 will be T1 upon 3 by 2 T1 raised to 4. So R1 upon R2, 2 raised to 4 is 16, 3 raised to 4 81. R2 is 81 upon 16 times R1. Therefore, R2 is approximately 5 times R1. What is percentage increase if final comes n times? Do you know that formula I have told? 5 minus 1 into 100. That means 400%. This you are knowing. If new value is n times original, then percentage increase is n minus 1 into 100 if n is greater than 1. Otherwise, it will be percentage decrease. Okay, this you know.
Yes, sir.
Please write down.
Done, sir.
Everybody is done.
Yes.
Yes.
Two solid sphere of radius R1, R2 are made up of same material, have similar surface, raised to the same temperature, and allowed to cool under same condition. The ratio of their initial rate of loss of heat means except radius, rest all are same to same. So rate of loss of heat we all know is A is sigma T raised to 4 minus T raised. So first rate upon second rate is first area upon second area. It is 4 pi R1 square upon 4 pi R2 square. So R1 square upon R2 square. So just remember, when everything is same except the area, then rate of radiation or loss of heat is R1 square upon R2 square. and rate of cooling will be R2 by R1. How I will explain it just now. Just copy this. Because second way they want rate of cooling. Rate of fall of temperature is rate of cooling.
Done, sir.
Just last part, see why it came R2 by R1, then we'll stop. See, we know Q is mass into specific heat into temperature. So this rate of cooling, rate of fall of loss of heat का ratio, mass M1, specific heat is same, M2, d theta of first upon second. This is just now we got R1 square upon R2 square. Mass is density into volume 4 by 3 pi R1 cube. Density into volume 4 by 3 pi R2 cube. Rho 4 by 3 pi, rho 4 by 3 pi cancel. R1 square cancel, R2 square cancel. So R2 by R1 will be the ratio of cooling. This answer. That's why I told R2 by R1. So that's all for today. We'll meet on tomorrow with at same time.